Welcome back to Motorcars Insider, the place where automotive innovation meets real-world reviews. If you're passionate about cars, vans, and everything on four wheels, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with us. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that's turning heads in the commercial and executive transport world, the 2026 Isuzu Hiace VIP edition. Yes, you heard that right. Isuzu is stepping into the VIP van market in a way we haven't quite seen before. Built on the sturdy reputation of the classic Hiace model, this 2026 version is all about blending utility, luxury, and next-level comfort. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Isuzu Hiace VIP holds true to its boxy, van-like silhouette, but look closer and you'll notice subtle design upgrades that give it a refined, modern presence. Sleek LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights, a reworked front grille with chrome accents, and redesigned alloy wheels all contribute to a more upscale look. The sliding side doors are now electrically powered for smoother entry, and the rear has been updated with bold tail lamps and a smarter bumper design. While it's still very much a van in shape, Isuzu has managed to make it look executive class. Now, moving inside, and this is where things get interesting. The Hiace VIP isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about how you feel while doing it. Step into the cabin, and you are greeted by high-end materials, ambient lighting, and a layout designed with comfort and sophistication in mind. The VIP configuration typically seats 6 to 8 passengers, depending on the layout, but it's not just about numbers, it's about space. Each passenger seat is leather-wrapped, fully reclinable, and comes with its own armrest, reading light, and even a built-in massager in some trims. Add to that the panoramic sunroof, individual climate control for rear passengers, and advanced soundproofing that blocks out road noise, and what you get is a mobile lounge that rivals some luxury sedans. There's even a 32-inch retractable LED screen mounted in the center for onboard entertainment, complete with wireless headphones and HDMI connectivity. Business users will appreciate the fold-out tables and USB-C charging ports at every seat, making it ideal for working on the go. The ride quality has been another big upgrade. With a revised suspension system featuring coil springs in the rear and enhanced shock absorbers, the Hiace glides over bumps and uneven roads far better than its previous iterations. Isuzu has also introduced a new electronic stability control system, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, all of which are available in the VIP trim to improve safety and ease of driving. For drivers, the experience is just as refined. The cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and voice command support. The dashboard has been redesigned with soft touch materials and brushed aluminum accents, giving it a premium feel that's often missing in utility vans. Whether you're running an executive transport business, need a luxury shuttle for corporate clients, or just want to cruise in comfort with family or friends, the 2026 Isuzu Hiace VIP edition delivers the full package. It's reliable, luxurious, tech-savvy, and most importantly, built to last. Isuzu's after-sales support and long-term parts availability also make it a smart investment. Pricing varies by market, but it's positioned competitively, typically sitting below similarly spec'd offerings from Toyota or Nissan. That makes it a seriously attractive choice for those who want VIP comfort without stretching into ultra-premium price ranges. So, is the 2026 Isuzu Hiace VIP the right van for you? If you're looking for a versatile blend of comfort, performance, and business class practicality, it's definitely worth a look. Whether as a family mover, VIP shuttle, or executive fleet edition, this van is ready for the road, and ready to impress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Motorcars Insider. We've got more in-depth reviews and car comparisons coming your way every week. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.